Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna go over my overall progress in trading. I'm gonna go over my uh, some things that I learned in June that I'm gonna be applying in July and the following months, and just to see overall where I am in my trading journey. So a few things that I learned in June is that being aggressive is not my style. Another one is trades that I should be taking should always be extended from the moving averages. Now, if we're not looking on the moving averages on the 30-minute. If we're not extended on the 30-minute, on a from a moving average, I shouldn't be taking the trade because um, it just it just doesn't work for me. It's not part of my system, and it it's just not working for me. And in the morning, my daily prep should always start from the daily chart. I've been starting from the 30-minute, and sometimes I don't even include the daily, which is I've noticed a huge mistake on days where I have um, good green days. I always start from the daily, and that just gives me a perspective. Where are we? Are we at the low of a range, top? Are we in the middle? Are we pushing it against the moving average? Are we bouncing off, rejecting? Where are we and what's going on? Um, Now looking at my R's, in total I'm down about 10 R from my equity high. So, which is not honestly bad at all. That's just a few good trades away from getting back to my equity highs. Second thing, after I got into a deep drawdown, um, I started to slowly decrease my R's. So what I did was instead of taking full R positions, I started taking half R's, just so I can get back into the rhythm of uh, taking trades. Because after my equity high and then getting into a drawdown, I immediately saw that I was afraid to take trades. So I said that's not gonna be working out for me at all. So what I want to do is I'll start taking trades, but at half R size. Whenever there's an A plus setup, yeah, I'll slam the full R, but other than that, I'm only going to be taking half R trades. Now that has come with a few uh, difficulties of its own. So I guess I've been mixing that in with emotions, and what I've done is whenever I'm not feeling too well on the day, doesn't matter if it's an A plus setup or whatever, I'm still hitting half R. And instead of getting a 4R trade, I'm getting 2R, which is significantly um, hurting my R to R. And sometimes when I'm feeling really good, I'll take a full R, and it's kind of all over the place. So since I'm feeling like I'm back in the rhythm, I'm going to take away my half R trades. I'm still thinking about it, but that's a pretty good idea, and that'll also keep me in line with taking less trades on the day because my whole philosophy is less is more. So my max loss on a day is negative 2R, so I will be keeping my trades at 2 trades per day, which is 2 full R stops. I believe that I don't need more than that. I don't think it's too sustainable, at least for me. I don't know any other way right now for myself, so I'm gonna be doing that. So that let's see, June. Let's scroll down over here. So June was a break-even month for me. I basically started over here, and then now we're over here. Um, it was a break-even month for me, and I'm excited going into July with the knowledge that I've learned from myself and carrying that over. Um, Now that I have this YouTube channel, it has kept me on my feet about how I'm truly trading. I realized the um, past few days of June, I was getting very aggressive, and that was, I mean, I didn't make any money. I didn't really lose any money. I was just break even. Maybe I lost half an hour, um, in total on each day, and I mean, it's just not worth it. Mentally, you get fatigued. It's definitely annoying. So, I'm I'm definitely learning from this YouTube channel because I'm throwing everything out there into the open. So it's really uh, letting me be as open as possible instead of just keeping my thoughts in either a journal or in my head. So now I'm noticing these things just popping up left and right. So, like I said, these three things I'm going to be carrying into July, and I'm excited for what's to come.